welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing my new vlogging camera, guys. I wanted to kind of unbox it and kind of do like a test run because I do want to use it to vlog all through today. So I ordered this through ShareShopShip. I think I've mentioned them a couple of times here on my channel. Like, it is not sponsored, it's just a plug that I'm plugging because in my previous videos you guys were asking about the process. Basically, just send them a DM on Instagram and they will walk you through the process basically. So this is my Sony ZV, guys. It was between this one and the Canon G7X Mark III. In case you're not a camera person, let me just tell you now that the G7X Mark III is definitely a total waste of money just because it doesn't live up to its expectations. So this one is now like the new best thing in terms of vlogging and portability and affordability at the same time. So this is what it looks like. This is how compact it is. This is what it looks like, guys. I'm super excited. If you know me, you know that I am not a Sony person. So for me to be buying this, you know that it's really good. Again, I got this Canon M6 Mark II just so I could vlog. But to be really honest with you, the only decent quality when vlogging with this is, or the best quality you can get while vlogging with this, is this lens. This is a Sigma 16 f1.4 lens. This one goes down to an aperture of 1.4, so that way it gives like that depth, blurry background, as well as it just makes the entire vlogging video very high quality and brighter. But the problem with this is that with vlogging, this is so huge, and the essence of vlogging is just sort of portability, compactability, as well as comfortability. So I don't want to have to be carrying this because this is quite heavy. Carry this, I put that, I have my tripod, I have my audio. It's just a lot of things going on. So I wanted something very compact that I could travel with, vlog with, especially if you're starting off. You definitely want something that is very discreet. So usually I'd rather use my phone to vlog. You guys must have seen some of my phone vlogs than to actually use this one. This has amazing quality, but again, with vlogging I have to carry my camera bag with this just because it's an expensive lens. I don't want to break it, and it's just a lot of things going on. So maybe I'll use this one paired with my camera for like professional type of vlogging and on the go content. But like for like my everyday content, travel content, I definitely would recommend this one. So I'm just going to unbox this, but before I do that, let me just mention that I had to buy extra batteries. Actually, I bought 6 extra batteries. 4 are still on their way. I got 2 extra, making it 6, and these are what they look like. I had to also get my chargers myself just because Sony doesn't, for some funny reasons, they don't include the chargers in here. I don't know why. I don't know why you're paying over $600. I got this for I think $697 or $99 thereabout for this. So why would I pay almost $700 and then you will not include a charger that is like maybe like $3 or $10 or $20 max? I mean, it doesn't really make sense. So funny, Sony is just very funny. It's a funny it's a funny Sony. So yeah, like I also said, I had to buy like the chargers for my battery, and I got this here in Nigeria. I do have another set coming in. So in this box again, I did get an action camera, and this one is, I think it's called Akoso. I'm not really sure. It's Akoso. It shoots 4K, and I got this for like underwater swimming, for like action content, skydiving. Basically, if you don't want to risk your main camera getting bad or like falling inside water or spoiling, you don't want to damage this, and you want like that very small, compact, on the go camera, this is definitely it. I've not tried this, but I did see a lot of good review and it was very inexpensive. I got this for $49, this whole set, and I think it has everything inside here, but I'm not going to unbox this yet. I'm just going to unbox my camera first. So I also got like a cute camera pouch for the small ZV-1 camera in here. Let me just open this up. So this is what it looks like. It's just a very cute, compact camera pouch. I can see how compact this is. Like, this is like, it's even smaller than my phone. Can you see that? this is what I want. I don't want to have to carry my lens. It's my lens is even bigger than the case and the camera combined. So like this is definitely for me. So I also got a couple of extra SD cards. I got them in 128, 64 and 32. I do have 2 other 128, guys. If you create a lot of video content, either get this one. I definitely would highly recommend get this one, this exact one. This one can record UHD, can record in 4K and all of that. This is Extreme Pro, so it can do like heavy duty recording. Just get this one to be on the safe side. Get the largest, which is like I think 2 something, but get 128. 128 would last you a couple of content, at least like 5, 6, 7 content, depending on the length and the size as well, the quality. And yeah, I got this in 64 just as a backup, and as well as 32. I think I also got a 64 as well. So I have a lot of SD cards, and I got this specifically for this vlogging camera, if that makes sense. And lastly, guys, just to kind of improve the quality of this camera, I had to get an external mic, and the external mic I got is so compact. This is a Saramonic microphone, and I got this for like, was it $20 something? It was quite inexpensive. It was between this one and the VideoMic Pro, the smaller one. But the thing is, I have another like VideoMic Pro dupe, so it didn't really make sense to buy the same microphone again. So I got this one just because of look at how tiny it is. Look at how tiny. It's very tiny, it's very discreet, and let me just show you. I'm gonna plug everything together so you guys can see. So I want to test the quality and maybe even do like a quality comparison between this microphone and like other microphones to kind of figure out which one is the best. But yeah, that is that. This is the camera. I'm gonna go ahead to open this up. I'm just amazed at how small this is. Okay, so in here we have the manuals and whatever, warranty, blah blah blah. No one ever, I don't know if you read these, if you go through these, let me know down. I want to know what they say about these, because I never look at this. Okay, so this is literally all what's in the box. See why I love my Canon. Canon gives you everything and more. Look at what we have in the box. So in the box we have the camera itself, which is so small. It's so small. We have the wind muff. This is like the dead cat, just to block the microphone, so that way it records better quality. This is the USB cord. Is this a type? Oh my god, tell me this is a type C. Don't tell me this is, oh my god, I didn't read this first. See the problems of fixing nails. And then we have the battery. That's all. We literally just have the battery with no charger. And yet some people love Sony. I wonder why. So I'm gonna just plug this in. Let me put this wind muff in. Oh my god, right here. Amazing. Okay, I love how compact it is. Let me go ahead to open up the microphone. Guys, look at how small this microphone is. It does tilt like 180 degrees, so you can move it from like the back to the front if you're vlogging like this, or you're vlogging this way. You can tilt it and move it either sides basically, and you just slot it in. Basically, you guys know what this is. Now, this camera has a flip out screen. For some funny reasons, I hate this. With vlogging, I hate this. I totally prefer a flip up camera when vlogging, and then like if you're doing pro content, then a flip out screen makes better sense. But with this, it just looks hideous. I prefer it flip up. That way it makes it a lot more compact. It's just me. I know a lot of people love this, but I personally don't. I wish it was like a flip up, because now I'm gonna have to be looking at this side instead of just looking up. I mean, it doesn't make sense. Well, I guess Sony knew part of what they were doing, but that's just me. So I'm just put this on. I think I need to charge this battery first before using it, but I just want to see like the first impression. And I think I'm going to have to put this on. Let me see, how do I turn this on? Sheesh. I'm going to have to select English. Oh god, this is not touch screen. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Let me set the date and time. This is November. So now we have this camera turned on. Let me put in the micro SD card. I always struggle with this. Okay, so now we have the camera on. I'm just put the microphone. I think it's this way. Oh my god, where do I connect the microphone? Oh, I think it's here. Oh my god, this is so different from Canon. Not like it's so different, but it's not what I'm used to. I need to use a pen for this because your girl fooled herself, guys. This is not Type-C, so it's such a shame. So this is how compact this microphone is. I want to test and see what it sounds like, to see if it's actually worth it, if it was a good buy. So let me flip the camera to this side. There's just something off about this, what's it called, LCD screen. I wish I could bend it, like tilt it to this side. Like, it's just weird. Like, I feel like it's, I don't know if it's just me, but this is what it looks like. Let me see the blurring effect. I want to see the blur. Let me start recording so you guys can also see. So this is what the quality looks like just right out of the box. Oh my god, my face looks too, ew. My face looks too soft. I'm going to go ahead and just reduce the skin softening effect. Oh my god, I don't want to be that person, but Sony menu is shitty. It feels like I'm using like all them old like Android phones. That's kind of what it feels like. So I just found the skin effect and I moved that to low, and I think I'm good with this. Let me just see what it looks like when I start recording. Let me just stop recording now, and I think I need to close this back. I think that's gonna go off, right? Okay, yeah, better. So yeah, this is my camera right now, and I think I'm not mad at it yet, but I need to create content with this because this is an investment for me anyways, for our brand and for our channel. So I'm just put this in this bag. This is so cute. I'm just gonna put this here, hopefully it fits, and close it up. Oh, look at how small my camera is. So yeah guys, that is the unboxing. I need to charge the batteries and, you know, properly set the camera and let you guys know how it works. Also, I'm gonna be playing around with this one as well, taking this along with me while I'm vlogging and creating content, so you guys can see the quality out of this. So in case you guys want to vlog, you can also try and see if you can invest in an action camera. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay fabulous, stay with me, subscribe to my channel if you want to see and hear my thoughts on this camera and this action camera as well. So I'll see you guys in one of my videos again. Stick around with me, stay fabulous and stay blessed. Bye guys.